The total number of bikes you have?
I think I have 50 plus bikes.
Okay.
I'm a bit obsessive, and my sister and my mother and now my wife has also joined in, and they're like, why are you collecting all this scrap? They don't even call it antiques or investment, they just call it scrap. So I'm like, the bikes don't complain. You don't keep them nicely, you don't clean them, you don't put fuel, they still don't complain. And the beauty is, whatever happens, you put the fuel in, you take care of the electricals, it still works, right? And it never taunts back.